Okay, well, a very warm welcome to you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us here for this afternoon's auction. My name is Mark Lyons. As always, it's a great pleasure for me to be working alongside our wonderful McGrath Manly team, in particular Team Cullen, headed up by the one and only Mr. Tim Cullen and ably assisted by Gavin Daly, and we have Charlie Bradley from the team here too.
Welcome to 13 at 30 Queenscliff Road in Queenscliff. Cliffront property, direct access down to the beach. We've got the auction today, lots of registered parties. It's going to be a beauty.
You can imagine the opportunity, the number of parties that want to own the property. There are moments in your life when you need to seize an opportunity. This very much, ladies and gentlemen, is the one. Opening bid offer. Where do we start? Where do we go? 2.5. You know what? I'm going to take it just to move it along. 2.6 I've got. 2.7 it needs to be. 2.7 we have now. 2.8 and 2.9. 2.9 we have. Make sure the cards are up. 3 we have, and 3.1, sir. 3.1 and 3.2 and 3.3. Can we say? 3.3 we have. Bidder number 3 at 3.3. 3.4 we're looking to go to now at 3,300,000. The offer on the left-hand side. Where's the other party, sir? For you on top. 3.350. 3.360. Confirm with the card, sir. 3.360. 3.37 we've got. 3.370. 80, sir. 85 and 90, sir. 95, going to split the difference there. 3.395, 3.4, sir. 3.34, 3.4, 3.405. He's at 3.4, so and 5 again. 3.4010, 3.405. You got it now, sir. Bidder number 3. 3.450, back on top. Confirm with the card. 3.455, 3.455 we have. 3.460, 65, back on top. Just hold the card. So 3.465 has got it now. 70, 75, 3.475 is now back on top. At 3.475, first call at 3,475,000, absolutely sure. Second call, once the hammer's down. Third and final call at $3,475,000. Sold! Congratulations to our highest bidders. What a magnificent purchase. On behalf of Tim and the entire team, commiserations to all of our underbidders and registered parties. If you've got any real estate needs, make sure you speak to Tim and Gavin and Charles and the team. On behalf of the team, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Well, no two auctions are the same, and it has to be said that some auctions start slower than others. We had a really premium opportunity for us here in Queenscliff. Kicked it off at 2.5, that's comfortably below the guide at 2.9, but $100,000 increments, quick fire. We got ourselves to 3.3 with just 2 parties bidding. And then we had a third party, more hesitant with their bidding. Tim had to really get alongside them and assist them with their bidding. They came in with smaller increments. We allowed that because we were comfortably above the reserve, which was set very comfortably at 2.9. Eventually, $3,475,000. The new owners, very, very excited indeed. A cracking auction for Team Cullen once again.
What a fantastic result. So delighted to see a lovely young local family win the property. We had buyers from interstate, regional, out of area, expats all come through. It was well marketed, beautifully staged, a magnificent position. Just shows though, good competition through using all the right portals can really get great results in the area. If you ever have any selling plans around Manly or lower northern beaches, we'd love to assist you.